Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the WooCommerce My Account page for free. The My Account page is an essential part of your WooCommerce store because it lets customers manage their orders, account details, and more. Let's get started and make it look and feel exactly how you want it. Before we dive into the customization, make sure you have WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you don't have it yet, just go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, search for WooCommerce, by automatic, select it, then install the plugin, then activate it. Once activate, WooCommerce will automatically add the My Account page to your store, which will be customizing in this tutorial. Let's start with some basic customization available through WooCommerce's built-in settings. Go to WooCommerce settings, then click on the Accounts and Privacy tab. Here you can configure several options such as allow customers to create an account during checkout, enable guest checkout, allow customers to log into their account after checkout. These settings can make the My Account page more functional for your users and improve their overall experience. But to make more advanced customizations, will need a little more work. One of the easiest ways to customize the My Account page is by adding new tabs. You can do this for free by adding a little bit of custom code to add new tabs. Go to Appearance, then Customize in your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to settings, navigate to additional CSS section and add this code. Write dot WooCommerce dash account space dot WooCommerce My Account navigation second bracket, then enter. Display block. Padding 10 pixel. And end second bracket. This simple CSS code will help change the layout and style of the navigation links. For more and advanced tabs like adding a custom orders or subscription tab, you will need a small PHP code snippet. We'll cover that in the next section. To add functionality, you will need to add some custom code to your themes functions.php file, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then theme editor, on the right you will see the function.php. Then code editor, write this code, function add underscore custom underscore account underscore tab, and $ items. Second bracket start, $items, then custom underscore tab, third bracket end equal to custom tab, return item. $item. Second bracket end, add underscore filter WooCommerce underscore account underscore menu underscore item. Add custom underscore account underscore tab. This code adds a custom tab to the My Account page. You can change the title from custom tab to whatever you like, such as exclusive offers or my subscription. And that's how you can customize the WooCommerce My Account page for free. Now you can add new tabs, content, and styles to make the page truly your own. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.